Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be trying Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam. So 3.4 ounces of this cleansing foam will run you $32, which is shocking because that's pretty inexpensive for an Estee Lauder foaming cleanser. With that being said, we have a lot to discuss with this cleanser, so let's go ahead and swatch this product. This is what the cleanser looks like. Look at that cleanser. Bam. Here we go. And that is what it looks like. It has a creamy texture. It really doesn't foam. I don't know why they call it a foamy cleanser. I have my suspicions and hypotheses about that, but this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? That is the swatch of this beautiful cleanser. So it smells like lemongrass. Like a very lemongrass scent with more of a lemon side. So you get really a citrus, very zingy scent. It's so beautiful. It's like a relaxing spa scent, but very lemony, because I kind of equate spas with like lavender, but this is really lemony. It's really lovely. It's not loud unless you're really sensitive to fragrances, but it's subtle, so you really don't have anything to worry about. So I tend to use about a quarter size amount, just not a lot. You guys know normally I like to use more than that, but I just use a quarter size amount. I do want to say this about this cleanser. You rub it onto your skin, it just feels like silk. Like literally you're bathing yourself in the most silky, gentle cleanser possible. I've never experienced anything like this. It's just so gentle, and so I don't understand what did they put in this cleanser to make it so silky. I don't know. I mean, it's like literally applying lotion. This is like vanity cream on steroids. So if you think vanity cream is bomb, like this is vanity cream literally times 20. Okay, you guys, so my face is rinsed. I am going to go ahead and dry my face and then we'll do the close-up. Okay, you guys, so here is my face after the Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Foaming Cleanser. I have a lot to discuss, so let's talk about it. Okay, you guys, let's talk about Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam and my thoughts on this cleanser. I do want to say this. It's a great cleanser depending on your skincare type, depending on a lot of things, but I will say this, overall it's a wonderful cleanser. I think for dry skin, depending on what skincare you do use, this could be very drying or it could be very hydrating. This cleanser made my skin feel literally like silk. Like it was really silky and soft after rinsing this cleanser off. I would literally apply essence to my face and the essence would go on so nicely with this cleanser. Like this cleanser is just amazing. I felt that it removed dirt from my skin. I felt that it removed the impurities from my skin, all while keeping my skin nice and hydrated. I didn't feel that my skin was tight at all with this cleanser. When you apply this cleanser to your hands, you lather it up and then apply it to your face. When you rinse your hands feel silky, and you can add like a cheap lotion. Like I was literally adding CeraVe. Honey, my hands were literally feeling like silk with this cleanser and CeraVe. It was just so nice to be able to get a cleanser that is so silky. And this is what I mean when we talk about like high-end brands like Estee Lauder, and it literally feels like silk. And the cleanser is really not that expensive. It's $32 for 3.2 ounces, which I think is not bad compared to the $5,000, $10,000, $100 cleansers we've tried on this channel. That be really expensive and be doing something Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel could do. Now this on the other hand is doing something amazing and I really like it. So if you are really wanting to try this cleanser, I would recommend you try it. Now I'm just going to tell you my little secret on how I got this cleanser, because I bought 2 kits and the limit was 2 at Ulta. So I'm just telling you, my husband said, oh well, you shouldn't tell people your favorite spots to go to, but because I love y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all y'all. But please just save me some of the kit when my kit is officially done. So I bought 2 boxes of the SOS kit, and it comes in 1 ounce, like the cleanser comes in 1 ounce in the kit. So I got 2 boxes, and it was, I think, either $30 or $35 at Ulta. If you compare that, the cleanser is $32 for 3.4 ounces, because they have one of my favorite products in here that I always go back to ever since I was, you know, back in my younger days. It's one product that I love in this box. So when Ulta had the whole kit, I had to get 2. So if you're on the fence about trying Estée Lauder, I urge you to just go ahead and get the kit. You can't go wrong with the kit. You could get 1 kit, 2 kit. I normally get 2 kits, and I kind of rounded it out that 3.4 ounces of the cleanser, just 1 cleanser, is $32. And I got 2 ounces because this is 1 ounce, and I'm almost done with this one. And then I got 1 more, so I'm so happy. So I kind of rounded it out in my head, and I think I made the right decision to go with the kit. Now, with that being said, you can't get 4 or 6 kits. Ulta only limits you to, I think, about 2 or 3. So I'm kind of happy they do that, but I just decided to let you guys know that if you want to try it, just go ahead and get the kit. At the end of the day, you can't go wrong with the kit. Even if you buy 2 and it's like $64. If you think about it, the whole Estée Lauder line, if you're buying all these products in the kit at full size, it will probably run you a little bit more money. So I'm really enjoying these kits. Let's talk about the cleanser, you guys. I really love this cleanser. I think it's amazing. I get so addicted to using it every night. If I have an experience with a bad cleanser that I didn't like, I always run back to Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Micro Foam Cleansing. I know it doesn't foam. I think some people have an issue because it doesn't foam. I really didn't notice it was not foaming, because when I first experienced this cleanser, it was really feeling like I was rubbing cream into my skin and like lotion. And then I noticed about 3 or 4 weeks ago is that it doesn't foam, and I'm like, why is this called a foaming cleanser and it doesn't foam? But you know, some brands do that. They name things stuff that don't have nothing to do with it. Like some brands would be like Super Plus hyaluronic acid, and the last ingredient is hyaluronic acid. So you know, people do that. I mean, you know, I did a face mask on the channel where it was a watermelon stick face mask, and the mask didn't smell like watermelon or have nothing to do with watermelon. So I mean, I don't know. I thought it was a great cleanser. I didn't care that it didn't foam or not. I think this is an amazing cleanser. I forgot about it, but then I just had a, you know, like a light come off and say, this doesn't foam. And I said, oh, okay. And I just moved on. It didn't make me angry or it didn't make me mad. Now, I will say this, depending on the makeup you wear, this cleanser will either remove it well, or you will have to use it about 2 to 3 times. The most I've had to use this cleanser was 3 times before it removed makeup. And that was really waterproof makeup. It was horrible at removing waterproof makeup, especially waterproof mascara. So maybe you want to double cleanse with this cleanser. You could start off with the oil cleanse or a cleansing balm, and then move on to this cleanser to experience the silkiness and the hydration and the creamy effect of this cleanser. I really like this cleanser so much. I do want to talk a little bit about the fragrance in this cleanser. It's a little bit loud, so depending on if you don't like fragrance in your skincare or fragrances irritate you in skincare, you may, you know, it may be a hit or miss for you. I will say the fragrance is loud. It's just that it doesn't overpower your other skincare, which means once you apply your toners and your essence, the scent goes away, like you don't smell it at all. But when you're applying the cleanser to your face and you're rinsing off, you can smell the scent a lot. It's not a bad scent. It just smells like lemons. Like if you walk outside, just imagine a lemon tree mixed with lemongrass, and there you have it. With that being said, I really like this cleanser. I'm so happy I got 2 kits. I don't know how I feel about telling y'all about how I got my kit, but y'all was gonna find out anyway. So you know what, I might as well just let you know, girl. Oh, and then not only that, when Ulta has a sale, you could get this kit. I'm just saying they will limit you to 2 or 3, because you know me, I'll be wanting to buy 5 or 6 boxes. But that's just me. I get a little happy when it comes to Estée Lauder products, because you know, this one right here is one of my favorite lines. That's all I have to say. With that being said, you guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Have you tried this cleanser? What do you think of this cleanser? Let me know your thoughts down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on my social media sites. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.